My name's Altair and I have the privilege of being Mayor of Hobsons Bay. I'm a keen walker, I love bushwalking, and I wanted to get people out and about, and I thought the Mayoral walk would be a way of doing that, and at the same time to introduce people to the beauty around Hobsons Bay. In this particular instance, the Newport Lakes, which is a real hidden gem, right in the heart of Newport. And when people do discover it, they are in awe of what's available. Best of all, we've got a fantastic friends group, Friends of Newport Lakes, that care for that and do all these plantings. The Newport Lakes is an ideal spot for families. They can go along there and have a picnic in the little natural amphitheatres. There's a lovely mosaic trail that you can follow. We'll be able to walk along, guided by our wonderful rangers. They'll be able to explain the flora and fauna of many birds and other wildlife that inhabit this bush paradise. So come along on Saturday the 11th of August, meet at 10 a.m. in the car park just off Mason Street.